Each year at Rapid Sell, we get one of those rare finds that means so much to so many. And folks, I think we have one here. Hi folks, it's Shane here again from Rapid Sell, coming to you from Grimsby, the fruit basket of Southern Ontario, to tell you about a stunning find in our Brisebois auction. We're looking at a 2005 Harley-Davidson touring motorcycle, and this is one beautiful bike. It's finished in a rich burgundy and black two-tone paint with gold pinstriping, and as you make your way around it, there's chrome everywhere you look, from the V-twin engine and custom air cleaner right through to the exhaust. Up front, you've got that unmistakable Harley Batwing fairing and windshield, along with the factory-style gauges and audio system. It's set up for the road with color-matched hard saddlebags, a rider backrest, floorboards, and a heel-toe shifter. The bike was manufactured in February of 2005 and has obviously received plenty of attention over the years. It presents beautifully and is definitely one of those pieces you're going to want to see for yourself. I'm going to stop talking for a bit and let you have a look around this Harley. I'll come back towards the end of the video and tell you where you can find all the photos, complete auction information, and everything you'll need if you'd like to bid. Happy viewing! Well folks, if you'd like to learn more about this item or anything else we've got coming up for auction, head over to rapidsell.ca. That's rapid-sell.ca. There you'll find our current and upcoming auctions, complete catalogs with photos and descriptions, auction details, buyer information, past results, and everything you'll need to get registered and start bidding. And if you're on the go, take Rapid Sell with you. Just head to the App Store on your Apple device or Google Play on Android and download the Rapid Sell auction app. You can keep up with our latest auctions, follow the items you're interested in, and bid right from your phone. And of course, if you've got something of your own you'd like to sell, or you've got questions about one of our auctions, you'll find all of our contact information at rapidsell.ca. Thanks for watching, folks, and remember, bid, buy, and win with rapidsell.ca.